How to make money with OpenClaw. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make money with OpenClaw. OpenClaw isn't just a tool for AI automation, it's a platform that can help you monetize your skills, the content, and process using AI. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or small business owner, OpenClaw allows you to create automated services, generate digital products, or just optimize workflows that can turn into real income. In this video, I will explain several practical methods step by step and give you actionable ideas so you can start earning with OpenClaw today. First, let's do a short introduction to OpenClaw and why it is better than the traditional AI tools that we use. What makes OpenClaw stand out from regular AI chat interfaces is its key difference that is going to lie between its workflow-driven approach. Instead of you having to prompt the AI over and over again for each step, OpenClaw allows you to define a series of tasks or instructions, chain them together, and just have the AI process them sequentially or just conditionally. For instance, it can take a single input, analyze it, and generate multiple outputs, and pass them to the next step automatically. This structured approach makes OpenClaw ideal for automation, research, and content creation, business workflows, and virtually any scenario where repeated AI-driven tasks are required. So by leveraging this automation capability, you save time, reduce errors, and unlock a new level of efficiency that traditional AI tools can simply not replace. Now, to get access to OpenClaw is super easy. First, you go over to Hostinger and just get the OpenClaw API key. Now, getting into OpenClaw and creating an account is super easy. You go over to your Hostinger account. If you don't have an Hostinger account, then simply just create an account and choose a preferable plan that suits your working style the best. Now, once you go over to use a VPS model, you're simply going to go over to the main dashboard, click on VPS, and you're going to see the one VPS that you have installed and the one that you're going to use. You can see that it is running. That means that everything is in its place. Click on manage and you are going to see another dashboard. You're going to go over to your Docker manager, go to projects, and you're going to see OpenClaw as your project. Now, here is a gateway token that you can copy, and here is the option to open it. Once you click on open, this is going to provide you with a text box and you're going to enter the gateway key that is mentioned right here. Copy it and simply just paste it in here, and that's it. That's how you can log in to your OpenClaw account. Now, if we talk about use cases of OpenClaw and how you can just create automations and earn money during this by monetizing your services, it's super easy. One of the fastest ways to make money with OpenClaw is by offering freelance AI automation services. Many businesses are looking to automate repetitive tasks like content generation, customer support, social media posting, or just report creation. By learning OpenClaw, you can offer services like automated blog writing pipelines, or AI-driven analysis, or AI-driven email drafting, or customer feedback analysis. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are full of clients willing to pay for these services. That's where you can find the best option for you, and the best part is that once you create a workflow, it can be reused for multiple clients, creating passive earning potential. All you have to do is go over to channels or connect API keys for better behavior of OpenClaw to automate your workflow. You can also connect different social media or just different applications and create workflow and automations based on condition, or just add a sequence. That way you can even just manage your content or just offer services and get paid. Another way to monetize OpenClaw is through digital products, meaning that you can create templates and just pre-built workflows. And that way you can sell these workflows or just offer your clients that you are going to work up with these workflows, and as long as they're paying you, you're just going to keep on updating the workflows and just having it automated. You can also sell them online. For example, you can make a workflow that automatically generates social media captions for e-commerce stores or a content creation pipeline for bloggers. These products can be sold on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website as well. That way, more people will also interact with your own website, which is a great way to start a small business. Since OpenClaw allows full automation, once a customer buys a product, they can use it independently and you can earn without needing to work continuously. OpenClaw can also help you generate the content faster and at scale, which you can monetize through blogs, YouTubes, or newsletters. For an instance, you can automate article writing and SEO research and social media summaries using OpenClaw. By creating high quality content efficiently, you can increase website traffic, grow ad revenue, or sell products and services. Many businesses also struggle to maintain consistent social media posting. With OpenClaw, you can just create automated social media management services. Simply go over to channels, and you can also connect your applications or even for your own business, if you provided your number and that is the only way that you're communicating with your services or offering services to your clients through your WhatsApp or Telegram, you can simply also link those together with OpenClaw, so that way there are automated messages sent to your clients that they're offering their services, and later on the chat can also be transferred to a helper directly. Now, workflows can also generate posts, schedule the content, and even analyze engagement metrics. You can offer this as a subscription-based service, which is great, and you can charge your clients a monthly fee to manage and automate their social media accounts. By leveraging OpenClaw's automation, you can handle multiple clients at once without spending hours creating each post manually. Now, OpenClaw also opens opportunities for AI consulting. Companies may want to integrate AI into their operations but lack the technical expertise. By demonstrating OpenClaw workflows for tasks like customer support automation, report generation, or content pipelines, you can charge for consultations and setup. This is particularly lucrative for small businesses or solopreneurs who want AI but don't know where to start. You're essentially offering your knowledge plus the power of OpenClaw as a service. You can also go ahead and create AI-assisted products powered by OpenClaw, such as ebooks, courses, templates, or just reports. Another high-demand use case is automated market research and trend analysis. OpenClaw can process large amounts of data, summarize these reports, and just give you an overview and generate these insights automatically. Freelancers can sell these insights to clients, businesses, or entrepreneurs who need data-driven decisions but don't have time to analyze raw information. This could include competitor analysis, product research, or content trend summaries, because OpenClaw handles the heavy lifting and you can just scale the service efficiently. Now, to make the most of OpenClaw, start by identifying high-demand tasks in your niche, such as content creation, data summarization, or customer support. Next, you would want to design your workflow that save time and add real value to your work, since clients will pay for solutions that reduce their workload. And just remember, always test these workflows for accuracy and reliability, as automation is only useful if it works consistently. Finally, bundle services or products to increase value. For example, combining content creation with social media scheduling creates a more compelling offer. In conclusion, OpenClaw is not just a tool for AI enthusiasts, it's a powerful platform for monetization, whether through freelance services, digital products, content creation, social media management, or just consulting, automated research, or even passive income strategies. There are countless ways to turn OpenClaw into a revenue generating machine. The key is understanding the potential of automated workflows and applying them creatively. And that is a complete guide on how to make money with OpenClaw. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI automated tutorials, and comment below which method you want me to show in a step-by-step tutorial next. Also comment if you have any questions or queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.